rise, verb, go upwards, rise, go upwards. Synonyms: spring, spring, proceed, proceed, arise, arise, flow, flow, ascend, ascend. Antonyms: descend, descend, drop, drop, settle, settle, decline, decline, set, set. Use in a sentence: truth once crushed will rise again. Truth once crushed will rise again. Truth once crushed will rise again. It is easier to descend than to ascend. It is easier to descend than to ascend. It is easier to descend than to ascend. Being on sea, sail. Being on land, settle. Being on sea, sail. Being on land, settle. Being on sea, sail. Being on land, settle.